Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back in the USA and it seems like we always be doing some construction. We're doing construction in Jamaica. We're doing some on the house in the state. So look what we have, mortar mix. I think I bought 300 bags of these to do the backyard. We'll rip up the grass and we're gonna put concrete down. But it's 300 bags. We got 200 today and then we're gonna get another 100 tomorrow. So then I have to hire some guys to help me because I'm not gonna take this down by myself. This is a lot of bags, so I didn't do any lifting of this because when the delivery truck came, they cannot. It's just a roadside delivery, so we just take a roadside delivery here. These are 80-pound bags, so this is like 200 pounds. 80 pounds, and it's 200 bags here, and we're gonna get another 150 bags tomorrow because we're doing the backyard. And look at all the pallets and stuff that they bring with all the delivery that we got. And this, we had an estimate for removal company to come and remove all these junk that we did because we put the backyard. All of these construction byproduct have to be ripped away. So we had 3 estimates so far. They range from like $1,500 to what? No, it range from $1,000 plus tax to $1,500 and so on and so forth. But we're gonna go with the most cost-effective one. These are some stuff that we bought to use in our bathroom. It couldn't fit, so we ripped it up brand new. We ripped up, and these are all some of the construction equipment that we had, byproduct that we use. So that's from the cabinet, and those are some of the grass in those bags that we ripped up. Obviously, we got to rip down some of those trees, and it's spring, going into summer now in the States, as it most northern hemisphere. This is a lot of garbage we have here, and look what it is back here. This is what the guys brought down so far. Well, some is used up already over there, but this is what they brought down so far. This is probably like 150 here, and they have like another 50 to bring down. Mixers running, so we're gonna turn the entire backyard, rip up the grass, and turn it into concrete, so it's gonna all look like that. And all of these stuff needs to be taken away, so we got an estimate, so they're gonna come and remove these. I think we're gonna go with the lowest estimate. Generally, where we live, you have to take it to the dump and you pay per weight. So I don't know what these guys are gonna do with it, but I hope they dispose of it the most economical way possible. Oh, look at this. This is for my car. This is for the cover for my car. Oh, I shouldn't throw this out. I should keep that. The lawnmower the lawnmower is in the garbage now, right?
No.
Oh, but this is the lawnmower thing. That's the basket for the lawnmower. Okay. Yeah, so something was my lawnmower. Even though we have no grass, we're not gonna have any more grass. I still think I need my lawnmower. So the bucket was there, so I removed the bucket. And these are gonna be going in a minute. So the guy that gave us the estimate. Oh, we also changed the window down here for the basement, so that's why you see some of these stuff over here. So we changed the window, put a brand new window in the basement. The basement window. So all of these are pallets and pallets of stuff that we got. We still have excess tile here that we didn't use. Some of those we're using in the basement, so we redo the basement floor as well. Because Stacey says she wants the kids to be playing in the basement more often. So all these pallets came today. So these should be going away pretty soon. So these guys that I use, they're resting, they're very tired. So I'm gonna for today, like they're day laborers, right? So I'm just gonna use them for today, and I'm gonna have more for tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna get these same guys. Plus I just go to the hardware store and tons of guys, like hundreds of guys, will be hanging out. Some from Africa, some from South America, some from African countries I should say, some from South America, and then you'll This morning when I was picking, I just look at the one that I saw first, and I took one that I know don't look that strong, like he wouldn't get a lot of jobs, and I tell him to take a friend, so at least he will get something. Because when these people go and find these guys, they always look for the strongest one, and sometimes the other guys need to make money as well. So what I do, I just tell them to pick a friend, so one is stronger than the other one, and they could share the money. Because I think most of the guys have no working documents, and this is how they make a living. So I wouldn't want to deprive the one that are not the youngest one. If I take one young and one older guys, I'm not going to put their face on camera because they probably don't want to be in camera. But that's how we do it. If it was like say 10 or 50 bags, I probably would have brought them down myself. But for 200 bags, that's too much, and you have to walk like 100 feet with 200 bags of cement. That's pretty difficult to do. But at least these guys get to send money back home to their family. And then somebody else we have, my father-in-law is back there, Stacey and Dad is back there helping us, and her uncle is back there helping us as well. And then these guys are going to remove all these garbage, so we'll pay the guys to remove the garbage. So this construction zone. And in the meantime, in Jamaica, we know we're doing that construction on that apartment building. So we're doing construction simultaneously. This is just for our purpose. When we're here for when the kids to be running in the backyard as opposed to they don't go on the street to run up, to run on the street. But now Ramses probably want to start to ride his bike and stuff like that, and so want to do that as well. So we want to make the backyard more accessible to that as opposed to just the grass, because it's very difficult to do all of those stuff on grass. So, and then Stacey and one of plans for this section here, we're going to reconcrete it and showing flowers on this side. So that's what we're going to do. And I may get you guys again tomorrow, but it's going to be less. I'm going to have 100 tomorrow. 100, yes. 100, yes. 100. This is 200. I'm going to have 100 tomorrow. So it's going to be less, yes. So if you want me to pick you back up again, I'll pick you back up. Tomorrow, yeah.
You call me.
You have a number?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll take your number when I drop you back, okay?
Yes.
So I'll try and get them tomorrow again, because and these flower pots we need to, Stacey and bought flowers that we're going to put in these pots. So when all this construction stuff is moved out of here, all the tiles and everything, Stacey and want us some place to be nice. And that's our block that we live on. It's pretty hilly. Birds chirping. Just like in Jamaica, when in Jamaica the birds are chirping. We have a lot of birds in this area. And big trees. Honestly, I don't like big trees. So in this area, the trees make it very cool. Even though like the air conditioner is on inside, but I'm on the patio now, and there is no. Huh? What you said?
Very hot.
I have fans from Cameroon. I'm from Africa, so you could say something in French if you want.
French.
Whatever you want to say to Cameroonians. So one of the workers that I have speak French. Well, they're from Cameroon. Both of them, they said they're from Cameroon. I know they speak French and English in Cameroon, but it seems like he's from the Francophone side of Cameroon. But it's very cool here, even in the summertime, because of the hill that we're on and all the trees and the birds, a lot of birds, as I said before. But inside in the house is going to be hot, right? But outside it's very cool. See all the trees. But even though I like the trees, I don't like them to be around my house. Before this house was built, they had a couple of trees over there. They cut them down to build this house, obviously. And we were here before this house built. But all of these other houses were here. But they have a lot of trees. This one has a big tree in the backyard. This one have another tree, and then we have several more trees. All the houses on top of the hill have trees. And I'm like, but in the winter time when it snows, those trees get laden with ice, and sometimes they will fall. So I'm like, why would you want these big trees in your backyard? But I guess it serves some purpose. If they are healthy trees, otherwise I think they're fine. But yeah, Stacey just called me and let me know that the guys for the garbage is gonna come at 5:30 and pick up the garbage, and now it's like at 3:15, so in 2 hours or so they should be here. We settled on one, so we got 3 estimates, and we're gonna settle on one for under $1,000 to take the garbage. They have to take them to the dump, and I guess they get weighed and so forth. Like a couple of years ago, I would have done it because I had a pickup truck, but now I don't have a pickup anymore. So they sold a pickup. So now it's just best to get someone to do it. School bus is here. I guess the school bus is picking up, dropping off. I guess they're dropping off some kids someplace here. School bus. Child coming off. Coming off to the daycare. Guys are resting. Stacey just called for me to go and pick Satire up at school as well. Normally we let him stay after school, but now we're gonna get him early so that he could come home and chill instead of staying at after school. So we're going to pick up Satire and return. Just pick up Satire from school. Guys in the back there, say hi Satire. Say hi. Okay. And I'm gonna go back home, pick up the guys and drop them back to the store that I picked them up from. I picked them from Home Depot. That's where they hang out, the hardware store, hardware back store, and then do some other stuff. Well, I'll wait on the guys to come and remove the trash, all the junk that we have there, and then wrap it up for today, and then do it all over again tomorrow. Well, tomorrow my schedule is a little tighter tomorrow, but I'll try to get them before I do some other stuff. Oh, they're beautifying the neighborhood. Putting up flowers. All the stuff done, pallet pack up, and ready to go. Satire is back from school.
Somebody's in the house.
Yeah, they're working. More pallets here. Garbage. Let me see. I'm probably back in the street. Man, they done everything.
Yeah.
You think we should bring them back tomorrow, right? These same guys, right? They are, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'll bring them back tomorrow because they did the job anyway. Yeah, so I'll bring these guys back tomorrow. What we have. So stuff Satire, no more grass, no more apple tree, no more trees.
Yep.
Just concrete. Satire, you gotta go inside because you can't give grandfather no problem. Uncle Robbie no problem. Okay? Satire, go do it because I'm going to have to drop the guys back to the Bronx. Satire, go do it now. So guys, this is what it looked like up by Home Depot. I drop the guys back and I take their number. So I'll get calling tomorrow when I need them again. So it's getting thin out now, so some guys still here. I don't want to stereotype, but these guys look like they're from South America. South American side or Central America. But so they are lined up out here and they are inside as well. So it's like 5 something now, so most of the guys are trying to head out, but this is always packed with a lot of guys to do day laborers, I guess. So tomorrow I'll call them and then I'll get those same guys. No, one of the guys not gonna come. He's gonna send another guy because he said he has some appointment, but one of the one that was here today is gonna be back helping me tomorrow when the rest of the materials are delivered. So yeah, they're hanging up by the hardware store and they get jobs here, and it's not only them because the regular company does it as well. So these guys are your garbage removal. All of these guys are here, and that's what they do. I already have a garbage removal guy coming to take the garbage, so I'm not gonna try and find one here because we already have one that's gonna come this afternoon. So, yep. So tomorrow I'll just continue to vlog tomorrow because we have more work to do. Listen, where you going? No, the garbage. Oh, look at you! I got a nice hairstyle.
Oh, you like it?
Where you going? Where you going now?
I'm just trying to impress you.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Let me see it. Oh, nice. Oh, I like it.
You like it? Good.
Oh, they come for the garbage
I'm
now.
happy you like it.
I know, it looks nice. And for the garbage to go out, so garbage is being picked up. Thought they were gonna come a little earlier, but they're here now. A lot of garbage coming out, all the pallets going out. The husband and wife, they're together, but I don't know if they're married, doing all of the lifting the garbage, so that's kind of cool.
Hot too, my friend.
Yeah, but it's cooler now. You come at the right time.
Yesterday,
You-
most time, man.
Yeah, but today now it's a little bit cooler now because the sun is going down, so that's good.
Good.
Yes, it's a good thing you come back later. You didn't take it in early. The other guys that was bringing on the bag, the cement, they were doing it in the hot sun, so it was much hotter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's most hot.
Oh, it was so hot. A lot of water they were drinking.
Oh, God.
Yes. Day 2, we added again. Now we get blocks, more cement. And look, the guys clean up all the garbage, so we're going down. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take on some blocks. So the delivery came and additional mortar bricks for these blocks and the concrete mix as well. So now we have 100 and something here. So we're gonna bring those down. So I'll leave Robbie and Stacey and Dad working. I'm gonna buy beer. They need beer, so I'm going to the beer store. I didn't get to New Jersey as yet. That was my original thing, but I'm gonna buy Heineken. Case of Heineken they want to drink. So that's what I'm gonna get. Hello. So you could get a cold one and you could get it hot. So I'll just take a case of cold Heineken. I've never been in this liquor store before. Well, let's have liquor and drinks. Because these are sodas. Okay, I pay here. How much?
You don't say the case?
Oh no, I just see this. Do you have a case there as well?
Yeah.
In the same.
This one is the case. It's the same price. What I have inside the cooler, you can open.
I could.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, let me go back there. She said she got the case inside the cooler. Let's see. She's saying there's a case. All I see there is these, the 12 pack, right?
What are you looking for?
Or like a case of Heineken.
You want a 212 pack or you want a 24 pack? Well, I mean, it's the same thing.
It's the same. Yeah, I have a 12 pack over there already. But she told me to go back and look for the case, but it's the same thing. It's a 12 pack.
Yeah, no. So it depends on what you want, because she don't speak English that well, so she could
Okay.
be confusing.
Okay.
Do you want 24?
No, a 12 pack is fine.
Oh,
How much is the 24, by the way? How much is the 24?
It's cheaper than a 12 pack.
I'll
Well,
take-
I'm not cheaper than 12 pack. I mean,
If you
save
buy
more money.
24, it's safer.
Yeah,
Alright,
it's-
I'll take the 24 then.
Sure.
Yeah, a cool one. I take that. So I'm taking the 24. Okay.
I'll take it up to the front.
Alright, thanks so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What's her name?
yeah. She's Dominican, is she? Oh, she went to Dominican.
Okay, so let's take that one back. Yeah, yeah. Thanks so much.
¿Puedo comprar un gelado con tu consentimiento? Okay, I'm gonna take that as a no.
No, she doesn't speak Spanish.
¿Cómo que no hablas español? ¿Cómo que-
I thought she doesn't speak English.
No, I'm joking. She doesn't know what you say.
Comprende poquito.
Enjoy. Done.
Also got wines. Oh, like wine. Wine here is well Chardonnay. And a liquor. I drive past this place every day. I've never been in here. They have a lot of stuff here.
Want me to put it right there?
How you doing, sir?
$42.02.
Okay, 42 too.
You want a receipt?
No, I'm fine without the receipt. I'm not gonna return it, so I'm fine.
Thank you.
No, they're not. So I get my Heineken and we out of here. Hello.
What?
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit higher,
That's
Trip.
enough videos.